New project. This is Reason. I will be demonstrating on Reason 5, but the versions are now on Reason 12. Uh, this is Reason 5. You start singing a demo song, and then you go to File New, and then you close. Let's close the demo song. This is our new document, right? So it looks pretty hectic for now, but first thing to note is that we have two windows, this one here, and then also we have one up here, right? You can easily detach them by this button over here. Detach. Now we have our sequencer. This is like a playlist. If you're gonna be making a song, this is where your song is going to be arranged, right? And then we also have our regs. We will find them here, right? So the first thing that you want to set up when you have a new DAW, it is our drivers, all right? So you can go to File, Edit, Preferences, right? This is our preferences. You go to here page. We have General, Audio, Keyboards, and Advanced Controls. You want to go to to audio, right? And then here you can set up your sound. Either you want it in the Asia, whatever, right? But you find the best one for you for your mixer or the sound interface that you have, right? And then you can set up also the latency and so forth. I'm not going to be dwelling much on that, but you can also set up your keyboards or your MIDI keyboards. You simply add and then you can choose. I have an audio key station, so I can select other, and then here on MIDI input, I can select the key station 2049, and then it's done. It will be working. It will be highlighting like this. As you can see, I've already added here. And then you can also set up advanced stuff. We're not going to be doing advanced stuff for now. All right. Okay. So uh, this is once your sound is now working, the first thing that you want to take note of is a mixer. Each and every DAW are supposed to it is supposed to be having a mixer. All right. Look for a mixer in each and every DAW. This is our mixer here. All right. It's already comes in plugged, but also let's say it is detached. You can create, and then you can find a mixer here, or you can also do it on the Rex. You can create, right click, and then you can get a mixer. We have the 14 channel, and then we also have a 6 channel here, right? But I'm just gonna leave it the 14 channel here, which comes pre-set up, all right, when you're opening a new program. Okay, so this is our mixer here. Our mixer has faders here, our panning knob for left and right, mute, solo, and then our EQ here for treble, for bass, and then we also have auxiliary channels. All right, we're gonna be talking a lot about that, and in another video. But tell me, let me in the comment section if you want to be discussing about that one. But this is our basic mix, and then our returns here. So without wasting much of the time, I am going to do this in a practical manner so that we can get used to it. I am just going to make a simple beat so that you can understand how the workflow goes, right? So here on the sequencer here, you can simply right click, and then you can go down here, create. We have the subtractor for bass, and then our synthesizers here, and then our drum pads. We have Octarex, we have a redrum, and then a Kong drum designer, right? And then we also have a combinator here where you can stack up or layer your instruments. You can use a combinator, all right? But I'm just going to start with the redrum here, all right? A redrum. So what you want to do is to take the pen tool, and then you can highlight here. If you press Control A, Control L, you will have your locators here. There will be the left one will be at the start, and then the right one it will be on the end of your whatever that you have highlighted. All right, so we double click inside. We have our our drums here. So this one is our kick, this one our snare, this one is our rim shot. We have some other samples and then toms. We also have cymbals down here. All right, so yeah, let's make a beat. Okay, so if we press C, you have the click or metronome here. If you press L, it is for the loop. That's the shortcut right there. Okay, so I am just gonna make a simple beat. All right, let me know if you like it or not, if it's whack. All right, I will start with the basic one, the basic beat which I got ever since I started making beats. Right. Okay. Okay, my hi-hats, I will find them here. This one's an open hi-hat. Copy. So if you press Control, and then you can be able to copy whatever you have highlighted. All right, I'm pressing down Control. I'm going to change the parameters here for the velocity of my hi-hats. Yeah. Velocity of my hi-hats. I am going to say this one is toots one. Okay. So using Control again, I can also copy. Control A, Control L. I have 2 bars on my loop. G and H is for zooming in and out, and then we can create another one. I want to make something. Okay, I want to make something with common sound. With my MIDI, where's my MIDI? So 1 on the numlock, it will move to the start, and then if we press start, star for start. That's funny. Star for start. Let's go. Okay, so I have my melody here. If you press Control A, if you press Control A, right. If you press Control A and then Control K, that's for quantize. We can now hear it. Our notes are now quantized. Now, the beautiful thing about this one is you don't need to route anything. It automatically routes your whatever that you add here on the mixer. Like for example, this one is an NXT. Let me say it's my keyboard. This one is my main keys, right? My main keys, they're already routed to the mixer. As you can see, it's written keyboard. All right. So now we can adjust. We can also add something else, a bunch of stuff, right? let's talk about choosing your sounds. If you go back to the rec, right, there is this folder icon here. If you press that one, you can choose a bunch of stuff here. If you go to reason, you can select all, and then you can choose whatever you want, be it bass, cymbals, or brass, whatever. I am going for a pad. All right, I'm just going to choose static, show all, and then choir, ambient vox. Okay, let's use this one. I'm just gonna be quick, right? Let's start. Okay, Control A, and then we'll quantize again. I want the notes. I want these notes. Right. Let's go. Oh, I missed the snare. So if you press F, F is for follow this thing in which is moving. All right. Okay, let's hit bass. Okay, one start. Okay, that was a lame bass, but anyway, it's for you to understand what's happening. We can also change our sounds for our bass. And remember that folder thing. Yeah, let's play. That can work. Okay. I want to shift them down. All my notes here, my bass notes, they seem very high. I can go to window, and then show twos. I can change the parameters here. Okay. Semitone, I want to shift them with 12 down, 12 notes down. Okay. 12. Yeah. Now let's listen to that. Okay, so that's my lane beat. Okay. I can also copy and stuff. Okay, let's go to sending. All right. So remember what I mentioned earlier on. The most important things about on an EQ, it is there are two ways, as you know, that we can put effects on a track, either on a channel, There are two ways. Number one, we can either send or even we can insert. All right. So inserting here is very simple. For example, let's say, where's my piano? This one is my piano. This one. Let's say I want a reverb on this piano. Okay, I can simply right click, all right, and then create reverb, digital reverb. And then here I just inserted reverb on this NNXT. So now if we listen to it, it is so wet. We can adjust the parameter here. Okay, let me just add some release there. So I inserted a reverb here by the method of inserting. Now we also want to send. For example, let's say if we want an effect that we want to apply on all channels, which is the same effect. For example, in particular reverb again. Okay, let's say reverb. I can insert the reverb here. All right. So this one, the reverb will be sending from this auxiliary channel into from this return channels and then sending to the auxiliary channels here. For example, let's say my drums. I want to make my drums wet. Okay. Now I can adjust here. Wow, would you listen to that? So that is sending now. Okay, so the same reverb that I created here, this one, the RV700, I can apply it on all the channels, right? Like here. I can apply it on my bass, I can apply it on my strings, my pad here. Okay, okay, so that is sending and inserting. We can adjust the parameters also. I can add an EQ, I can add whatever the effects that I have here, I can actually add them here, right? We can send and insert. Okay, so let's say my song is done. Okay, my song is done. I can simply export file here, and then we have song export as, and then we can export. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like, please leave subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.